So today I am going to be doing a slime package. Here's an announcement. So tomorrow, tomorrow's my birthday. Yes, started. Let's get started to the video. Okay. So we have slimes. This is the one that I got here first. This one was the one that I got here last. This could be like at least this could be worse. It's worse. It's metallic. I like the color. This red is good. It feels like jello. That's just disgusting. Next one. Let's start. Just pressing thing for my show. No, it's not going to be on like this, but it's I like this slime, but I don't like it the crunch. So I give it more pages. Oh wait. That's not my mom, guys. That smells like pineapple. $1. This is really hard to do it. There's gonna be some going to this just okay, now let's cooking some. It looks like a purplish, but no. It looks like a poopy green to you. It's not. Okay, so man, it came today, guys. This one came today. This one, but the putty came. One got caught. And then I ordered this yesterday. Then came real quick. Big one. I don't know what it's called because it's name. It's only on Google Play. It's only on Google Play, but I don't know what it's called. Baby, I'm savage. But nah, baby, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Feeling so bad. Feelings too good. Show them what how the real was done. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. So it's so bad. I'm feeling so good. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, sorry guys. Oh God, wait a minute. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give this a big like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be a part of my J Squad. So yeah, bye.